Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to study for finals engineering step by step. Begin by listing all exam topics, estimate time needed for each, and block study sessions into focused 50-minute intervals with 10-minute breaks. Then set milestones for mastering core concepts, assign practice problems, and schedule review days so you can track progress and avoid last-minute cramming. Work through past exams and timed problem sets to build speed and accuracy. Then review mistakes immediately and redo similar problems until they feel routine. Explain solutions aloud or teach a friend to expose gaps. Mix conceptual questions with calculations, and use spaced repetition to lock formulas and methods into long-term memory so you perform reliably under timed pressure. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is my go-to for staying hydrated during intense study blocks. It's easy to open, keeps water cold, and fits in most backpacks, making long sessions more comfortable and focused. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Gather concise resources like formula sheets, annotated notes, and select textbook chapters to streamline review. Then form a small study group to compare approaches and explain tricky problems to one another. Schedule targeted office hour sessions with instructors for unresolved questions. Prioritize understanding over memorization, and regularly update your plan based on progress so study time stays efficient and goals stay realistic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.